Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. My question for you today is, why are you here? And my answer is because you want a better experience. You want to be able to take the FlyLady system and make it work for you. Now, I'm not a magic bullet, and Patreon is not a magic bullet. You have the power within you. These videos are to inspire you to do the FlyLady system and to have a better life in general. So let's start today by making sure you're using all the tools at your fingertips. This is a tool. Patreon is a tool. The YouTube videos, when you want to go live and talk to me, those are a tool. Your planner is a tool. Your thinking is a huge tool. So what I want you to do is use the tools at your fingertips to do the job. And the job is, look at your home. How does it look right now? What do you want it to look like? What have you envisioned it as? And then how to get it there. So you're going to use the FlyLady system to do that. You're going to do 5 routines a day until such time as your paper is all gone and you're going to be down to 4 routines a day. That's going to happen almost every day for the rest of your life. It's not hard. It's nothing to be sad about. It's just a way to get, it's like getting up in the morning and walking on the floor. That's something you do every morning. You're also going to make your bed. You're also going to wash your face. You're also going to put some moisturizer on. You're also going to comb your hair and put on your jewelry and maybe a little makeup and get your clothes on. You're also going to wipe out the sink and swish out the toilet and empty the dishwasher and put your dishes away and make some breakfast. That's going to happen every day. That's nothing to be sad about. That's something to be glad about. Aren't you glad that you're able to do that? And then the second thing is you're going to put in a little laundry every day. Remember, we're not scrubbing on a rock. This laundry does itself. You just put it in the machine, put in the detergent, put on the time, push the button, and walk away. And when the time is up, you put it in the dryer and do basically the same thing. Push the button and walk away. And when that's done, now you work. You fold your clothes and or hang your clothes up and put them away. You don't dump them on the couch or your bed or the floor or in a basket. You put them away. You complete the process. And then your after dinner routine just means you clean up after you make your meal. You clean up your kitchen. You want it to be pretty the next time you come in. You want it to be easy to operate in. That's the only reason we do these things, is to make life easy and to give you breathing space. You can find things. You can do things because there's room to do things, and it feels nice, and you can clean it because cleaning is what you want. You want a clean, shiny home, but you can't clean it when there's a pile of clutter on the counter, right? All right, and then you're going to do your before bed routine, which is for you, so that you'll go to bed on time, you'll sleep long enough to feel good the next day. It's a health thing. You're also going to have your clothes laid out for the next day. You're going to have your planner ready to go for the next morning. You're going to know what your meal is for the next day. And if you have children, you have a before bed routine for them as well as a morning routine for them. So those 4 or 5 routines. We've also got paper routine. Paper comes right after laundry. It's just an inch. And you're just going through it, finding out what you need to keep. The rest is trash. And putting those things that need to be handled in your inbox for Wednesday when you do desk day, planning and desk day, where you actually handle the paper. So it's not hard. You're not handling it. You're just taking out the things that are important in this little stack of trash and throwing the rest away. So those are the 5 routines. And when you're done with paper and you don't have any more, then you're not going to have paper clutter anymore because you're going to monitor what comes into your house. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is our zones. Our zones is how we break the house up into parts so that we can do something in our house every week, just 4 times a week, just 15 minutes if it's decluttering, just 10 minutes if it's deep cleaning. You can't deep clean until the clutter's gone. So keep on going. Don't worry about deep clean. Don't worry about it. You couldn't deep clean before you had clutter. Don't worry about it. Don't panic. You're going to be doing the basic weekly plan, which includes the weekly home blessing hour, which is going to give your house a quick vacuum, a quick dust, a quick glass wipe, a quick empty the garbage cans, a quick change your sheets, and a quick mop, and you're done. I mean, your house is going to be done in an hour every week, cleaner than you've had it in a long time, and it's not even cleaning. It's just blessing. Okay, so when you're doing these things, basic weekly plan, including planning a desk day, including making sure your budget is in place and making sure you're paying your bills, those things, car and purse day, errand day, where you pick up your groceries and you run your errands all on one day, not running around hither and yon every day. So the reason you're watching these videos is so that you'll have the inspiration to do those things. But it's not a magic bullet, like I said before. It's just me talking to you, coming from a place that I know where you are because I've been there myself. I am an experienced fly lady, but I'm also a sidetracked person like you. I'm also somebody who's done it backwards, who couldn't keep the clutter out. So I know how it works. If you'll do these little things every day that I'm telling you to do, they don't take a lot of time. If you don't piddle around and you get it done, remember my analogy before of the slinky going down the stairs? One thing after the other, don't stop the slinky, get it done. And when it's done, then you can play. It might mean that you want to look at your cookbooks and come up with something to make for your meals next week. That might be fun for you. It might mean that you want to take a little nap, you're pooped. It might mean that you want to play with your children. Or maybe you're homeschooling them and you really need time to do that. This will give you time. The other thing that I highly advocate is delegating. A 9-year-old can do almost everything that you do. A 12-year-old can do everything that you do if they are physically capable. If they don't have some type of disability, they can do these things. So remember, in order to do the work that you do in your house, it just requires the mental capacity, the fine motor skills, and the gross motor skills. That's all. It's not hard. All right, that's it for today. I just want you to remember that the reason you're here is to watch these videos and to make some new decisions every day to do something more so that your house will be the way you want it to be, your life will be the way you want it to be, you will find peace, you'll finally love yourself, and you'll feel control in your home. Have a wonderful day, and I want you to always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.